Hey, you're getting my way.
You are so sweet. You know that? You're going to be such a good big brother. Look at those dirty old nails.
He washed his hands and everything, Mama.
Did you wash your hands and everything? Did you brush your teeth?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. What a big boy you are.
And his tongue, too.
And your tongue, too? Wow. You are so sophisticated. Do you know that?
Look, his hands are small.
Mm-hmm.
Eyes are small, or his hands are small.
It's hands are small.
No, it's not here.
Well, we're gonna leave the room for a few minutes and get some food and let Mommy go to the other bed, okay? You wanna walk down there?
No.
Okay, well we gotta get out. I just don't want you to get the bed.
I think he's waving at us.
Yeah,
He's waving at us that word.
Those eyes are opened up. Okay, dude.
The baby.
That's kind of a neat baby.
Freshies.
Your baby.
That's hands are big.
Look how much bigger your hands are. That's why you're the big brother.
Yeah. But your hands are bigger.
why
Three
he's a
different
daddy.
sizes, huh?
Like he's the daddy. Okay.
Okay,
You
here
ready?
you go. Yeah.
All right.
Got him.
Come here.
He's gonna get his first